Good morning, gentlemen. Today's lesson is combustion, my favourite reaction. This is me in my racing car, actually, travelling around Phillip Island race track. Just coming out of Siberia, going to past the hay shed and up to Lukey Heights. And of course, these things are driven by a combustion engine, which means we need two key ingredients, or in chemistry, call them reactants, namely a fuel and, of course, oxygen. With motor car racing, that is a key ingredient we're trying to improve on, oxygen, and you'll learn about this today. So, for instance, with cars, we try to do turbocharging, supercharging, or in this case, normally aspirated. This is going into MG corner, another slow corner. Sometimes hear my screeching tire, and then we're going back to around the other section of the track. So let's go back to the lesson. So the process is 5 easy steps. Remember, here we go. Today is marking your attendance 4 ways. So we're doing lesson 3 for attendance. Don't forget, some of you need to do your work habit. There's about 7 students to go. And then you come across here for your lesson, which is in lesson 3. Clicking on that will take us to lesson 3. The two key documents are your Word document and your PowerPoint. I'll just load up the Word document, and of course you'll need a video. So I'll load up that Word document and see if I can sneak in there. Yep, there we go. And remember, it's fairly well structured. Five easy steps. One, the pre-video questions, the PowerPoint, making some key notes into your workbook. Watch the video, write some notes, summarize your learning today, and test check your learning by doing the post and extend your understanding. Some more chemical equations. Of course, these are all about fuel and oxygen. And that will be the end of the lesson for today. And enjoy your weekend. Thank you, gentlemen.